Hello my fashion lovers, welcome today. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do bust tightening on your bra cup, how to tighten your bra cup to avoid your corset getting flat. I'll be teaching you two methods. You're going to be adding that to the bust cup and putting bony to the bust cup. You can either choose to do only that, put only that to the bust cup, or you can go ahead and add boning to it. The choice is yours. As you can see in this video, you can see the bust, you can see the bra cup. The first one, I've done the bust tightening on it, and the second one is the one I bought without the tightening. Can you see it's pressing down? But with the one with the bust tightening, can you see how it's standing? And it can't press, no matter how you push it down, it stands. But the other one without the bust tightening is flat. By the time you put it in your corset dress, it's going to remain flat. And what is the essence of putting this bust tightening? To give it more depth, to give it more depth. And this is how you're going to do it. You're going to fold your bra cup, and mind you, if your bust is bust 36, you're going to use bra cup of 40. In this video, the bust working with is 36 and the bra cup is 40. So by the time I take in the dart, it's going to return back to the original bust size. So you're going to fold it into two. Fold it into two. At the upper part, you are going to come in by 3/4 inch or half inch. Then the length of the dart is going to be 2.5 inches. You can go 3 depending on how deep you want it to be. Then you go ahead and connect. Go ahead and connect, and that is where you're going to sew down. You're going to sew it down, and that is it. Taking in your darts. Bra cup tightening. It's just the same way you take that. The same way you take out your darts, you go ahead and sew it down. The same way you sew your darts, that is the same thing we are doing here. And you go ahead and cut it off. Go ahead and cut. The bra cup is hard, so that's why it's taking time to cut. You go ahead, remove your pins, and by the time you open it, see how it is. See how it's standing. See how it's standing. No matter how you press it, it won't look flat. See how it's standing. See how deep it is. So now, as you're looking at it now, I used size 40, but after removing the dart, it's back to size 36. So if your bust 36, 37, 38, you can still use it. And now I'm going to show you the boning. If you like, you use only this one, or if you want, you can add boning to it depending on what you want. At the part where the dart stopped, at the part where the dart stopped, we are going to come up by half inch. See where I'm marking? At the part where the dart stops, just come in by half inch and put in your boning. Put in your boning, and the place where you did tightening the dart, you're going to put your boning on it. We're going to be sewing just 2 boning to the bra cup. Just 2 boning. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll be showing you how to use this bra cup with your corset. The next video I'll be uploading will be the corset dress. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. After marking it out, you go ahead and sew in your boning. Like I said, you can do only the bust tightening without the boning, but if you like, you can go with the two. By the time I finish, you'll see the outcome. Then you decide which one to go with. The one without the boning, only the bust tightening, or the one with the bust tightening and the boning. Put in your boning and sew it down. And you're sewing it only on the part where you marked the sewable boning. I'm using the sewable boning. Go ahead and stitch it down. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like I said, the next video I'll be posting will be on how to insert your bra cup to your corset dress. And you see the difference. One is with boning and one is just the bra cup tightening. Can you see? Can you see? So it's left for you to decide which one you will go with. This is one with the boning and tightening, while the other one is just the darts. Remove only the darts. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Please like my video. That is the only way you can support me. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like I told you, I'll be showing you how to sew a full corset gown. A full corset gown. That is the next video I'll be uploading. Please support my channel. If you have any question, any advice, please write in the comment section. And don't forget to share my videos. I love you. See you next time. Bye bye.